So we are at Michael's, and a lot of people had asked me, um, how do I make my brushes? Well, I use authentic content when I create my brushes. So we're here to pick up some gold flakes. That's what we're gonna do. And I have some rewards and I have some coupons, so I'm gonna get some really good deals here, hopefully, because I don't have too much money. I just bought a new printer with one of those eco-friendly printers. Excuse me. All right. So the last time I got the gold flakes, they were on the end caps here, and they are relatively around the same price as they were before. And so I'm just gonna grab this. It doesn't really matter what color, because we can change the color in Photoshop. So, I mean, we could get gold or silver, it doesn't matter. Actually, the silver is kind of cheaper. We can change the color. Oh, but I see why. It's a little, it's cheaper because it's a little bit, I don't know, it looks kind of messy. It looks kind of old. I don't know how to explain it. See, this one's a little bit more intact, and then you could break it up too. So this is really good. And I think I'm gonna get some glitter too. I don't know. And so the glitter aisle, let's see. Ooh, look at these brushes. I might get these brushes. Ooh, look at these big fat brushes. Oh, I like those. Decisions are the worst. I think I'm gonna take these big jumbo brushes. These are really nice looking. I have a lot of little brushes, so let's go look for the glitter. Let's see. I didn't get a bag because I don't want to take too much stuff. Because every time I come here, I always spend so much money. And I believe the glitter is somewhere around here. I like that big flaky glitter. I wanted to get some white big flaky glitter. Let's see. This one is $5.49. Let's see. This is really... Oh, there's flaky glitter on one side, and then there's like the fine glitter on the other side. I don't know if I too much like that. I want like the big thick glitter. I guess this is all they have left here. They've been pretty much cleared out of glitter. Wow. They might have some more in another aisle. Ooh, look at this. Confetti glitter. Look at that. That's pretty cool looking. Ooh. This is kind of like what I was like. Ooh, this is only $1. It's really cool looking. I don't know. I don't know if I need that though. This is $1.79. I don't know. I'm gonna go look and see if there's more glitter on this side. My daughter's gonna kill me that I came here and I didn't buy her anything. They have all these weird kits. It's Crayola. Let's see. I guess they don't have any more glitter. This is all the tie-dye aisle. I haven't done tie-dye in ages. No, there's no glitter over here. Oh, okay. Alright. See. We've got some lovely beads over here. But that's not what I'm looking for. I can't believe they're already cleared out of all the glitter. I mean, you could do some really nice jewelry making. You've got a lot of good selection here. this aisle. See if we find any glitter. Alright, I guess this was it. So, I guess we have to take this glitter or nothing. I don't know. Decisions are the worst. We got these big silver glitters too. I don't know. Like that. I think I'm gonna take the clear glitter. Because white glitter is so hard to create. And so I often have to use stuff like this to create white glitter. So I'm gonna see if we can find some paper too. Let's go look and see if we can find some paper glitter. Or it's like paper with glitter already on it. Oh look, they have these beautiful rocks too. Oh, I love rocks. Don't you just love rocks? I could be in here forever. I'm gonna get in so much trouble being in here. Oh, here's more glitter. Oh my god, we hit the fucking glitter jackpot. Hells yeah. Okay, that is the kind of glitter I'm thinking about. Yeah, that's beautiful. Wait a minute. Is this glitter or is this like cake mix? No. This is like confetti glitter or something. Ooh, okay, so this is what I was looking for. This is a good thing that we took a walk because they have a lot of cool stuff here. So, anyways, so this is how I make my brushes. I actually buy stuff from like craft stores and then I make it. So I don't like other people who just like, you know, Pretty Webs who just like go in there and like, oh, try to recreate my stuff. That's not how I make it, buddy. Well, that's really pretty. I like that. That'll have to be for next time because that's really expensive. It's like $9.99. All right. I think I need the bigger bottle. So they have the bigger bottle over here. So we can make a lot of white glitter. We need a whole sheet. All right, so now that we know where the glitter is, we'll come back here next time and get some more. But I also want to get a sheet so I can like glue it on top. So I'm gonna go ahead and look for the paper. Oh, they got a lot of cool stickers here too. I'm gonna come back for that too. Look at all this stuff. I'm gonna run out of room for my hands. The vinyl paper. Here's some sales. Cricut. I think that's pretty standard, $7.99. Ah, this is the kind of paper I'm looking for. Alright. So it's gotta be like a white glitter paper. No, that's not it. Huh. Well, I can use... Ooh! I don't want to drop you. I could use this. I could glue this on top of it. Seems legit. I don't see any other paper. I was looking for like a plain white glittery paper. I don't see it. Ah, here's what I was looking for. Okay, this is perfect. Alright. So we have this. It's already made. But I don't want it like thick like that. Alright, here we go. this is what we were looking for, this type of paper. So it's like this white paper. Alright, so we're gonna make some white glitter paper. And that is all I can fit in my hands. We're gonna go check out. And I will see you in Photoshop.